Hey everybody, this is Unit 1, Formative 1, Video 8. We're going to be combining like terms. Alright, so when we think about combining like terms, let's think of a simple way to do it here. So let's say we had 2 burgers and a fry and then a soda, and then our friend ordered three burgers, 2 fries, and 2 sodas. We wouldn't want to say all that separately. Instead, we could say that we had 2 plus 3, so we had 5 burgers and 3 fries and 3 sodas total that we ordered. Okay, if you wanted to make it into one meal that you ordered. Okay, so when we think of combining like terms, first we should probably know what like terms actually are. Well, like terms are just terms that have the same variable and the same exponent. Okay, so if we look at number 1 here, we have 2x plus 3x. Okay, so we both have x's here, so they have the same variable. And then we also want to look at the exponent, so that would be what's up here and right here. Well, when you don't see anything, that means there's a 1 there. So we have like terms here, so we can combine them together. 2 plus 3 just gives you 5x. Or in other words, 2x's plus 3x's, well, you have 5x's. Okay, number 2. So we have a negative 3 plus 2y minus 5. Okay, well, remember, we have to have the same variable and the same exponent. So when I say the same variable, that means a lack of a variable would be the same variable too. So negative 3 and 5 have a lack of a variable or no variable, so they're like terms. Okay, so the first thing we might want to do to combine those is actually change this to plus a negative 5. Okay, so your 2 pencil strokes is what I've heard a lot of you say. So now we can combine negative 3 plus a negative 5 to give us negative 8. And then the 2y does not get combined with anything, so we just say negative 8 plus 2y. All right, in number 3 here, if we look, we have 4x squared plus x. Okay, same variable, but not the same exponent. So this one we cannot simplify, so we're just going to leave alone, and we say can't simplify. All right, so here we're going to combine some distributive property along with combining like terms. Okay, well, a big thing you're going to see me do all the time is change this minus sign right here to a plus sign. Well, if I do that, that means the 4 needs to be a negative 4. Okay, the only reason behind this is to remember that we distribute a negative 4 and not a positive 4 to everything. So we're going to start by distributing. We get 3 times x gives us 3x. 3 times 2 gives us a plus a 6. We go to that negative 4. Negative 4 times 2x gives us plus negative 8x. Negative 4 times negative 1 gives us a positive 4. Okay, now we're going to combine our like terms, so we look for our like terms. Well, 3x and negative 8x are going to be our like terms. They have the same variable and same exponent. So 3 plus negative 8 gives us negative 5x. All right, and then we also look for 6 and 4. They're both positive because they both have plus signs and they're not negative. So then we're just going to say plus 10. Okay, so again, the big thing with this problem is to remember to switch your sign right up here to plus a negative 4 instead. That doesn't mean this sign changes, just this one is going to change here. All right, here's another one. If we look here, we already have a plus sign, so we don't need to worry about switching our signs at all. Okay, so we can go ahead and start distributing. Negative 2 times 4p gives us negative 8p. Negative 2 times 8 gives us negative 16. Plus 5 times p gives us 5p. And 5 times 2 is 10, and since it's minus 2, we say minus 10. Or plus a negative 10 would work as well. So we could say plus a negative 10. Either way you write that would have been fine. And same thing here, plus a negative 16 would have been fine here as well. Okay, so we're going to combine our like terms, negative 8p and 5p, same variable, same exponent. That becomes a negative 3p. And then we have negative 16 and negative 10 to get negative 26, or minus 26 would be fine as well. All right, so like I said, the other way you could write this is negative 3p minus 26 would be fine as well. All right, and that is combining like terms along with the distributive property. We will see you later.